Loading firmware using the Preboot menu on HP Enterprise printers. Note: this process is for recovering a printer after an unrecoverable error. Insert a USB thumb drive into an available port on your computer. The drive must contain a FAT32 file format, or it might not be recognized by your printer. Go to hp.com/drivers and search for your printer. If multiple firmware versions are available for your printer, choose the version that matches your control panel type, either FutureSmart 3 or FutureSmart 4 or 5. Follow the prompts to download the latest firmware for your printer. From the download file, extract or copy the BDL file to the root directory of the thumb drive. If your printer does not boot to the Preboot menu, follow these steps to open it. Turn on the printer. When the HP logo appears and the boot screen displays 1 of 8 or 1/8, immediately touch the HP logo or press the X button depending on your model. If the Preboot menu does not open, turn off the printer and attempt the process again. Use the arrow buttons to navigate to Administrator and then select OK. Navigate to Download and then select OK. Insert the USB drive with the BDL file into the USB port on the printer. Navigate to USB thumb drive and then select OK. Navigate to the BDL file and then select OK. The firmware copies to the printer. The process might take up to 10 minutes. When the transfer is complete, a message displays on the control panel. Remove the USB drive. Touch the back arrow button several times to return to the home screen, and then select Continue. Wait for up to 20 minutes while the firmware updates. When complete, the printer boots to the initial setup menu. Set your preferences and then continue printing.